Assalamualaikum everyone. Have a nice day. I am Muhammad Nizamuddin bin Mansur from Group 6 and these are my group members. Muhammad Muaz bin Syamsul Kamal, Putri Anura binti Muhammad Noh, Shasha Kalmila binti Sulaiman, Nur Damia Najwa binti Zulkifli, and we are from M3CS 1104B for course MAT 183 in CS 110, and our lecturer's name is Miss Norbahia binti Awang. We will present about applications of integration. So, what is integration? Integration is the act of bringing together smaller components into a single system that functions as one. We use integration as a tool to solve problems in mathematics and physics involving the area of an arbitrary shape, the length of a curve, and the volume of a solid, among others.
My name is Muhammad Muaz bin Syamsul Kamal. I will show you how to solve this question. Figure 1 shows the region R bounded by the curves y squared equals 10 minus x, this is the curve, and x equals y minus 2 squared, this is the curve. The first question is find the coordinates of A and B. So these two are the initial equation. So the first equation we need to do it in x in terms of y. And then the second equation we need to expand it. Then we do simultaneous equation, substitute both x, and then rearrange all the terms into one side and equate it with 0. So we have two answers, y equals 3 and y equals -1. Both answer, to get the x coordinate, we need to substitute the y to the initial equation. So the coordinate for A is 1, 3. The coordinate for B is 9, -1. Then we go to the second question. Determine the area of the shaded region. So the formula is integrate right curve minus left curve. So this is the right equation, and then this is the left equation. So we subtract it, and then we simplify. And then we integrate it, and then we simplify what we can. Example, 4 will be 2 and 2 will be 1. And then substitute the upper boundary of 3 minus the lower boundary of -1. And then the upper boundary we will get 18 minus the lower boundary -10/3. And the answer is 64/3 units squared.
As we know, Muaz have shown the solution of question 22A and B, and it's my turn to make a solution for question 22C. As the question states, the shaded region is rotated about the line y equal to -2. Determine the volume of the solid using the shell method. So this is the value of K. So this is upper bound and this is lower bound, which is y equal to -1. Then this is value of K. So we apply the formula of volume equal to integrate C integrate from C to D, 2 pi y minus k fy minus gy dy. And then we take out the 2 pi, and then this is the upper bound, and this is the lower bound. And then this is the value of k, the value of fy and gy. And then we positive it minus minus, so it will become positive, and then we expand this equation. And then we expand all of the equation, and then we get 10 minus y squared minus y squared plus 4y minus 4. And then we simplify it, it will become 6 minus 2y squared plus 4y. And then we integrate this equation, and then negative 2y cubed, it will become negative 2y power of 4 over 4. And then 14y, it will become 14y squared over 2. And then 12, it will become 12y. So we will substitute upper bound and lower bound, lower bound. And then the answer is 128 per unit
cube.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nilda Menajwa. So I will show you guys how to solve this question. Figure 2 shows the region R bounded by the curve x equal to minus y squared and the straight line x equal negative y. So first question, find the coordinates of A and B. So we got these two equations, which is x equal to negative y, and the curve one x equal to minus y squared. So we use simultaneous equation, and we got this negative y equal to minus y squared. And then all the terms we put in one side. So we got y squared negative minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Next we got two answer, which is 1 equal to and y equals to negative 1. And then we substitute x equal negative y into 2, and then we get negative 2. So the coordinate for A is negative 2 and 2. Next, we substitute again x equal negative y, and we get 1. And then we got coordinates for B is 1 and negative 1. Next, we will discuss about the area of the shaded region. This is the formula that we will use, and the function of the right side, which is 2 minus y squared, and for the left side is negative y. So we use the formula, and for the boundaries, which is negative 1 and 2, and the function for the right we put it here, and the left one we put it here. After we got this, we simplify it, and we got the negative y squared plus y plus 2. After we got this, then after we integrate, we will get this negative y cubed over 3 plus y squared over 2 plus 2y. And then we will substitute the upper bound of 2, and we get this negative y cubed over 3 plus y squared over 2 plus 2 times 2. And then we will substitute negative 1, and we get negative 1 cubed over 3 plus negative 1 squared over 2 plus 2 times negative 1. And after we calculate this, we will get 10 over 3, and after we calculate this, we will get negative 7 over 6. And then calculate this, we will get this 9 over 2 unit square. So this is the final answer for this question.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Anwara binti Muhammad Nur. I will solve a problem about finding volume of the solid generated using the shell method. Okay, so figure 2 shows the region are bounded by the curve x equal to y to the power of 2 and the straight line x equal to minus y. So the question is, determine the volume of the solid generated using the shell method when the shaded region is revolved about the line y equal to 4. Okay, so the question has stated that the shaded region is revolved y equal to 4, so it will be here. It will be on top. Axis on revolution will be on top. So the formula for axis on revolution is we integrate c to d. C is here and d is here. 2 pi k minus y. K is this value 4, and fy is 2 minus y power of 2 minus gy. Gy is negative. Okay, so we substitute it into this. The 2 pi here is the coefficient which can be excluded, and we need to integrate negative 1. Negative 1 is the value of c, and 2 is the value of d. And then 4 minus y. 4 is we can see that y equal to 4. The revolution exists, so 4 minus y times 2 minus y, which is we get from here 2 minus y to the power of 2 minus negative y. Negative y is here, gy. Okay, and then we simplify the operation. Just minus we get plus, and then we need to expand this. And also this. And then we will get 8 times 2, we get 8. 4 times 2, we get 8, and 4 times negative y to the power of 2, we get negative 4y over the power of 2 plus 4y minus 2y plus y to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 2 dx. And then we solve it. It will become we come out with this y to the power of 3. We arrange it. Negative 5y to the power of 2 we get from negative 4y to the power of 2 minus y to the power of 2, so we get negative 5 to the power of 2 plus 2y, which we get from here, and we get 2y plus 8 here. 8. Okay. This one. And then we integrate it into 4 to the power of 4 over 2 minus 5y to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3y to the power of 2 over 2 plus 8. And then here we will substitute the upper bound and lower bound. This is upper bound, this is lower bound. We substitute into each of the y, which is this y, this is y, and then this also we substitute it into this, and this. And then the answer we will get 4 minus 40 over 4, 40 over 3 plus 4 plus 16 here for this equation, minus 1 over 4 plus 5 over 3 plus 1 minus 8 for here. And then we simplify it, we will get 32 over 3 minus negative 81 over 12. And then we simplify it, we will get this 63 over 4. And then here we will need to multiply it with 2. So the answer is 63 over should be 2. Okay. So the final answer is 63 over 2 by unit square. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shasha Carmila. I will present this figure 1. Show the region R enclosed by the curve y equal x squared and the line y equal 4 and y axis. So this is the figure and I'm using this formula to solve this equation. B represent to here equal to 2 and A equal to here equal to 0. Okay, BA pi fx. Fx represent to here and gx represent to the question. It want -2 for the line. So change the value from the formula. It's equal pi x squared minus -2 x squared. I mean -2 squared. So expand this value and it will become x4 minus, and this -2 squared, it become -4. And substitute at this and it will become x5 over 5 minus -4x. And the value of these two into this. So it will become 5 over 5 minus -4 multiply 2 and minus 0, and the answer will become 72 over 5 per unit. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, in our group video is about chapter 5, which is application of integration. We have explained about how to apply integration in finding area in cross-section parallel to x-axis case, how to use shell method in cross-section parallel to x-axis, and how to use washer method in cross-section parallel to y-axis. We are referring to guidance of Ms. Norbahia binti Awang calculus textbook and these websites. That's all from us. Thank you.